Welcome back to Choices Hub channel. Hey everyone! Today, we're discussing some fantastic Costco mayonnaise and nut butters that'll make your taste buds dance with delight. We'll give you all the juicy details about each one, so let's jump right in. Let's explore a scrumptious and nutritious mayonnaise that can elevate your sandwiches and salads. Hellmann's Real Mayonnaise. This classic condiment has been a kitchen staple for over a century. Containing only 100 calories per 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, serving, Hellmann's Real Mayonnaise is an excellent addition to any sandwich or salad. With a total of 10 grams of fat, including just 1 gram of saturated fat and 0 grams of trans fat, you can indulge in this mayonnaise without jeopardizing your health. Now, let's examine the types of fats present in Hellmann's Real Mayonnaise. It contains 3 grams of polyunsaturated fats, comprising 2 grams of omega-6 and 0.9 grams of omega-3. These essential fatty acids are vital for proper body function and cannot be produced by our bodies alone. Additionally, this mayonnaise features 6 grams of monounsaturated fats, which are known to enhance cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. For those monitoring their cholesterol intake, you'll be pleased to know that Hellmann's Real Mayonnaise contains a mere 5 milligrams of cholesterol per serving, allowing you to savor it without concern for your heart health. With only 95 milligrams of sodium per serving, it is also a low-sodium option for any meal, making it suitable for those keeping an eye on their sodium intake. Moreover, Hellmann's Real Mayonnaise contains no carbohydrates, fiber, or sugars, rendering it an ideal choice for those following a low-carb or sugar-free diet. Lastly, let's examine the vitamins and minerals present in Hellmann's Real Mayonnaise. It provides 15% of your daily value of vitamin A, crucial for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune system function. Additionally, it offers 5% of your daily value of vitamin C, essential for immune health and collagen production. This mayonnaise also contains 2% of your daily value of calcium, vital for bone health, and 4% of your daily value of iron, necessary for oxygen transport within the body. In summary, Hellmann's Real Mayonnaise is a delectable and healthful addition to any meal. With its low calorie and fat content, an excellent source of essential fatty acids, and a variety of vitamins and minerals, you can relish this mayonnaise without any guilt. If you're a fan of nut butters, you're probably familiar with the rich and savory taste of almonds. If that's the case, then you won't want to miss out on the Kirkland signature creamy almond butter. This delectable spread is not only tasty, but also a healthy addition to your pantry. Let's take a closer look at the nutritional value of this almond butter. At only 100 calories per 1 tablespoon, 15 grams, the Kirkland signature creamy almond butter is a great choice for any meal or snack. With just 8 grams of fat, including 0.5 grams of saturated fat and 0 grams of trans fat, you can indulge in this delicious spread without any worries. The types of fats in the Kirkland signature creamy almond butter are equally impressive. It contains 3 grams of polyunsaturated fats, which includes 0.2 grams of omega-3 and 2.5 grams of omega-6. These are essential fatty acids that are vital for our body's proper functioning and cannot be produced on their own. In addition, it also contains 5 grams of monounsaturated fats, which are known to improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. If you're keeping an eye on your cholesterol levels, you'll be pleased to know that the Kirkland signature creamy almond butter has 0 milligrams of cholesterol per serving. Additionally, with just 0 milligrams of sodium per serving, it is a low-sodium option that you can enjoy without any concerns. On the other hand, the Kirkland signature creamy almond butter has 2 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of fiber, and 1 gram of sugar per serving, making it an ideal choice for those on a low-carb or sugar-free diet. Lastly, it contains 4 grams of protein per serving, which is great news for vegetarians and vegans who may not get enough protein from their diet. In summary, the Kirkland signature creamy almond butter is a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal or snack. With its low calorie and fat content, good source of essential fatty acids, and abundance of vitamins and minerals, you can enjoy this almond butter without any guilt. Last but not least, we have the Kirkland signature peanut butter, a delectable and nutritious spread that can elevate your breakfast toast, smoothies, or baking recipes. Let's take a closer look at the nutrition facts and discover why Kirkland peanut butter should be a staple in your pantry. With only 200 calories per 2 tablespoons, 32 grams, Kirkland peanut butter is a fantastic addition to any meal or snack. And with 15 grams of fat, of which only 2 grams are saturated, you can indulge in this peanut butter without compromising your health. Now, let's delve into the types of fats found in Kirkland peanut butter. This peanut butter contains 6 grams of polyunsaturated fats, including 1.6 grams of omega-6 and 0.1 grams of omega-3. These are essential fatty acids that our body requires for optimal functioning and cannot produce on its own. Furthermore, Kirkland peanut butter has 8 grams of monounsaturated fats, which are known to improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. For individuals who monitor their cholesterol intake, Kirkland peanut butter has 0 milligrams of cholesterol per serving. This means that you can enjoy this peanut butter without worrying about any negative effects on your heart health. Kirkland peanut butter is also a low-sodium option, containing only 0 milligrams of sodium per serving. If you're cautious about your sodium intake, you can relish this peanut butter without any concerns. Moreover, Kirkland peanut butter provides 7 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of fiber, and 2 grams of sugar per serving. This makes it a favorable choice for those on a low-carb or sugar-free diet. Lastly, let's talk about the protein content. Kirkland peanut butter has 8 grams of protein per serving, making it an excellent source of protein for vegetarians and vegans who may struggle to get enough protein from their diet. Overall, Kirkland peanut butter is not only delicious but also a nutritious addition to your meal or snack. With its low calorie and fat content, an abundance of essential fatty acids, and an array of vitamins and minerals, you can relish this peanut butter without any guilt. But wait, there's more. Kirkland peanut butter is versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes. You can add it to your smoothies for a protein boost, use it as a dip for your apple slices, or even make homemade peanut butter cookies with it. In conclusion, these are just some of the fantastic nut butters and mayonnaise you can find at Costco. We hope this video has provided you with all the information you need to make informed decisions about the mayonnaise and nut butter you buy. Please do not forget click like, share the video and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.